Hello students, welcome to class 8, subject computer, chapter number 6, and the chapter number is the Adobe Photoshop CS3. So now let's start our chapter. The first one is the component of the Photoshop. The first is title bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar of the application window that displays the name of the program. Second is text menu. The text menu is located below the title bar. It shows the 10 different menus like File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, Analysis, View, Windows and Help. The next one is the context menu. Immediately below the text menu, it is the context menu. The item in the menu changes to reflect the options associated with the tool being selected. It is also known as the options bar. After that, the workspace. It consists the image that you want to edit. It is also known as the image window. The last one is the tools plate. Along with the left side of the Photoshop window, we find the tool plate. It works like the artist paint box and holds a variety of tools which help you to draw, paint and manipulate the images. And text. To insert any image, we have to follow few steps. First of all, click on the File menu and select the Place option. Select the image from the picture folder by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the Look in text box. The image will appear in the short or the grid and the cursor will change into the double-headed arrow. Then click the image and drag it to the point where you want to place it within the canvas. You can also resize the rotate the image by dragging the canvas notch or by hovering the near the corner node till the rotate the cursor appears and then rotate. Double click when you are satisfied with the placement, size and the rotation of the image. You will find that a new layer appear in the layers petal where the image is placed. If the layer plate is not visible, then select window layer. Opening an image. To open the image, click on the File menu and select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Now select the desired file using the Looking in option. Here we have selected the libraries, pictures, sample pictures, Penguin. Click on the Open button. The image will open as displayed here. Magical tool. This is the handy tool to select the areas which have the complex edges. Select the magical lasso tool. Click on any part of the image to be selected and drag the mouse pointer around the object to select it. You will find this tool drops the fasting the point along the edges. Double click at the ending point. Observe the selection as shown here. Now quick selection tool. This tool is used for the quick selection. As you drag the mouse, the selection expands outward and automatically find the follows the define the edges image. The quick selection tool is used for the selecting the part of the image which require the great precision to reach. Click on the quick selection tool, drag the mouse to make your desired selection. If the quick selection tool does not appear in the tool pattern, right click on the magic wand tool and select the quick selection tool. Grid tool. The grid tool allows you to fill an area with the range of the color in a specified pattern. It creates a blend between the two or the more colors. Gradient of the color can be filled with the inner radial angle, the reflected and the diamond gradient. Open an image with the help of the magic wand tool. Select the area with the tolerance setting of the 90. Select the gradient tool from the toolpad flat. Click on the gradient shape from the context menu. Gradient editor dialog box will appear. Select the Chrome gradient option and click on OK button. Now select the liner gradient from the context menu. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the selected area. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. You could notice that the selected gradient applied on the selected area. Now the pen bucket tool, it is used to fill the image or the part of it with the different colors based on the tolerance of the range of colors. Open an image with the help of the magic wand tool. Select image area with the tolerance setting of 90. Select the pen bucket tool from the tool plate and set the tolerance of the 100 to the paint the wall selection. Click on the foreground color option. The color picker dialog box will appear. From the color selection box, select any color of your choice, for example blue, and click on the OK button. Now click the selected area of the image. The color of the selected area will be the blue.